This is called the Magic Cotton Candy Daiquiri Cocktail. That's a lot of sweet words. Sweet nothings. So we start with, well, the recipe says 2 ounces of light rum, but I'm looking at your glasses there, and what I see is you started with, I don't know how much, of some kind of fiberglass insulation.
It looks like fiberglass insulation. It is actually cotton candy, and you're supposed to put that first into the cocktail glass for the magic effect. And we're going a little jiggy. We're not using regular cotton candy tonight. We're using Dr. Pepper cotton candy to honor our adopted town of Waco, which has an infatuation with Dr. Pepper, since that is the birthplace of Dr. Pepper.
We are the birthplace of Dr. Pepper.
We Wacoans.
Right.
We Waco.
Dr. Pepper, pray for us. Okay, so the recipe says start with a big fluff of cotton candy in a cocktail glass, and then you pour 2 ounces of light rum, times 2, so that's 4. Okay, and then the juice of 1 lime, 2 tablespoons. Nicely squeezed ahead of time, Mike.
Yeah.
And then you're going to use champagne, but first you're going to pour rum and lime juice into a shaker with ice and shake 40 times. And you're going to strain that into a cocktail glass, which magically dissolves the cotton candy.
All right. Oh, we forgot to say abracadabra. I will now make this cotton candy disappear. All right, here we go.
It's an illusion, Michael.
It disappeared.
Where did it go?
So this looks very Dr. Peppery. We're going to see how this works.
I do not remember the original cocktail looking this dark.
Yeah.
It's like a dark and stormy suddenly. And now you're going to top with champagne, and we only buy the finest.
The finest, screw up. Screw up. Champagne.
I think you meant to say screw top.
Thank you, love.
Like the screw top letters. And you're going to garnish with an invisible wheel of lime. We did not save the lime.
You know, we usually don't do garnishes on a weekday. It's just too much.
We love the garnish. It just depends on how difficult it is.
All right, we got a very interesting looking drink here. Mrs. Foley?
All right. I'm off camera for a reason. Long day.
All right.